Your microwave has a charcoal filter right above it in this vent area. Now the charcoal filter should be changed every 6 months or by the indicator light on the microwave. Now to access the filter, you need to locate the screws above here and use your Phillips head screwdriver and remove them. And once they're removed, you simply rotate the vent assembly down, and this is your charcoal filter. To replace your charcoal filter, all you need to do is put it right back where you got it. Make sure that it's in place. Take your vent cover, put it back into place. Take your screw, tighten it down, and you just changed your microwave charcoal filter.